Observe the problem. Here PS and PT are the tangents. These two are tangents to the circle. O is the center of the circle and angle TPS is 50 degrees. Then what is your angle TQS? You have to find out the angle TQS. Okay, it is the tangent. The angle between tangent and radius is how much? Because it is the radius, it is the tangent. Here your angle is 90 degrees. And here also your angle is 90 degrees. Now observe, this is a quadrilateral. OSPT is a quadrilateral. This is 90, 90, 180. And sum of these two angles also definitely will get 180 because sum of the four angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, so that's why here your angle is, here 50 degrees, no? Here your angle is 130 degrees. We proved also that one. This we proved. Okay, now observe, here 130 degrees, no? Then what is it? This is the complete angle. Angle around the point how much? Angle around the point is nothing but a complete one rotation 360 degrees. Now entire value 360 degrees. This interior value 130 degrees. Then this is how much? 230 degrees. See, this is the major arc. This major arc subtended angle at the center is 230 degrees. Observe here one more basic property is there. You have learnt in previous class. Okay. And it is the basic point only. What is it? Angle made by the same arc at any point on the other arc is half of it. And it is 2 times, means it is 15 degrees. Arc makes an angle at the center is doubled the angle made by the same arc at any remaining part of the circle. At a point on remaining circle of the remaining circle. ఓకే ఏం లేదురా సెంటర్ దగ్గర ఎంత ఉంటుంది 30 degrees ఉంటుంది సెంటర్ దగ్గర. దిస్ ఆర్క్ సబ్టెండెడ్ యాంగిల్ 30 degrees, దెన్ సేమ్ ఆర్క్ సబ్టెండెడ్ an angle half of in it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So this is the property by using here. See here center 230 degrees now. At the center 230 degrees. Now the same arc makes an angle at remaining part. Q is this Q is in other arc, remaining arc only, no? So at Q how much now? Half of in it. So angle SQT is equal to 230 by 2. What is the value of 230 by 2? Division. 230 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 0. 2 5s are 10. So 115 degrees is your answer. Angle SQT is equal to 115 degrees. Observe the problem. When you have seen the problem, it is a too difficulty, but very easiest problem it is. The tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So that's why observe this. This is your bigger circle. These are the two tangents from T. TQ is one tangent and TP is one tangent. So the length of TQ and TP are equal. We proved that theorem also. Now observe chota triangle. In chota triangle, TP is one tangent and TR is the other tangents. These are lengths of the tangents. If TP value is x, then your TQ value also x. Observe now, your TQ is to TR. Both are same. X is x. So x is to x, that value is 1 is to 1. Fantastic. Good. Observe this problem. AD comma AE are the tangents drawn from the external point A. So that's why from this definitely you get it AD is equal to AE. The length of AD is equal to the length of AE. Now this AE value I am writing, this AE value AE value I am writing AB plus BE because it is the point between A and E, no? So that's why this entire AE value we can express it as AB plus BE. Now what is your BE value? See, B is the external point. B is here an external point. Okay, so that's why BE is equal to FB. These two are equal, no? So that's why I'm writing BE plus again FB. So that is equal to AB plus BF or FB. So this is AD value. So for on both sides you have to add one more AD. ఎందుకంటే నేను ఓన్లీ బిఈని యూజ్ చేసి బీసీ రాయలేను కదా. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎలిమినేట్ సిఎఫ్ అండ్ బిఎఫ్ వాల్యూస్. సో దట్స్ వై what we are doing here, one more AD add on both sides. AD plus AD is equal to AD plus AB plus FB. Okay. So very logic question, but a very easiest question. So how much you got it? AD plus AD is 2 times of AD. Now this AD, observe this AD value, how to write it? This AD value, this AD we can express it as AC plus CD. AC plus CD plus here again you have FB plus AB. FB plus AB. Observe here. This AB I am writing here AB plus AC, two sides of the triangle. And here observe this CD is equal to CF because this CD is equal to CF because C is an external point. So that's why from C you have these two lengths of the tangents are equal. So that's why in place of CD, where is CD? This is CD, no? In place of CD we can express the CF. CF plus FB value how much? AB plus AC plus CB. This is 2 times of AD.